delighted to announce that in this degree ceremony, we will honour a truly remarkable woman, Mākereti Papakura. She was born in New Zealand in 1873, but was tragically taken from us too early at the age of 56, dying in Oxfordshire in 1930, just days before she was due to receive her degree, having studied anthropology at St Anne's College. Mākereti's research centred on Maori life, informed from her direct experience and her ongoing engagement with the elders in her community. In Oxford, Mākereti found, like all our graduates, a vibrant intellectual community, academic mentorship, and for Mākereti, friendship with fellow anthropologists, notably Thomas Penniman, who helped ensure that her research was published after her untimely death. Very, very few women received degrees back then, and so her achievement is all the more to be celebrated, respected, and honoured. It is wonderful that so many members of Mākereti's family and community have travelled so far to be with us to celebrate her life and academic achievements. I wish to thank all those who have worked so tirelessly to enable this occasion to take place. I am unusually wearing today this jade or punamu pendant, given to me many years ago by anaesthetic colleagues from New Zealand. It beautifully symbolises what we are celebrating here today, the bonding of friendship and joining of lives for eternity, and new beginnings, growth, harmony, and peace, all things Mākereti believed in.